So guys, in this video, we need some water lines here in the barn. So what we're doing is, well, we're installing FlowGuard Gold 1/2 inch and 3/4 water lines. And what I want to do today is show you how that we install it and why we use FlowGuard Gold. Here in the barn, like we always do out in the country,
I'm out in God's country.
we're installing FlowGuard Gold and we're going to use it today. Get it up in the rafters, get it installed so we can make some drops. That way, as we grow this thing out and build it out, we have water lines where we need them.
I need it!
One thing when you're cutting FlowGuard Gold, they recommend using the ratchet cutters, which these are great. We use these all the time. Open it up, line it up on your mark. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, one thing to remember though, is if you're cutting a piece of pipe out in the field that you're tying onto an existing piece of pipe, you want to use regular tubing cutters. You want to put it on, wrap it around it, you want to score that outside. That way it doesn't crack the pipe, it doesn't crush the pipe, it doesn't do anything like that. It's a good, clean, straight cut. Now, what we want to do is we want to get a smooth edge on the outside, and that's all that's doing is taking off that sharp edge on the inside and the out. This is one of my favorite things about using the FlowGuard Gold CPVC. Medium yellow, all-weather, one-step CPVC cement. This is actually not a glue joint. This is a chemical bond. It's a solvent weld.
Yes, science!
Now that we've got everything reamed and ready, I'm gonna turn FlowGuard Gold over here on the side because I like my letters true, plumb, and square. With FlowGuard Gold CPVC, it's important to apply a heavy coat solvent cement to the pipe first, then, without redipping, apply a thin layer of cement to the fitting. If you put too much cement in the fitting, it has nowhere to escape and can pull in the fitting, potentially clogging the line or damaging the fitting. Now this is creating a chemical bond right here. This is creating a solvent weld. So literally what this is gonna do, it's gonna make this fitting and pipe become one. This video is sponsored by FlowGuard Gold. We teamed up with FlowGuard Gold because this is one way for plumbers installing water lines to use a more efficient, time-saving, money-saving product. So check out FlowGuard Gold. One of the common myths of FlowGuard Gold CPVC is that it requires more time and material cost to install than PEX. We often hear that PEX is so much quicker to install. In reality, FlowGuard Gold CPVC installs just as fast, if not faster, than PEX. It's really nice to not have to deal with primer in a situation like this. So I do enjoy the one-step CPVC cement. And as you see, it's easy to install. Literally, you just prepare the end, put your chemical cement on, push it together, and let it set. It's good to go. So, good stuff. I enjoy it, and it makes it easy to use. Seriously, it can be installed quickly or even quicker than PEX systems, saving plumbers time and money with FlowGuard Gold. In fact, FlowGuard Gold CPVC installs 15% faster than PEX in trunk and branch configurations and uses 20% less material in mini manifold configurations. I just realized I've got an 18-inch drop I need right there. So I'm gonna go ahead . All right, so I needed a drop right here, 6.5 inches off. And remember we talked about if you're cutting into existing pipe, use the tubing cutters. The reason being, you don't want to squeeze that ratchet down on it and it cuts really easy. Now, this pipe over here is not connected on the other end. I just realized that we missed our drop. It really goes together quick and easy. Makes it kind of nice. Contrary to popular belief, flexible piping materials like PEX are not able to avoid damage from freezing by expanding to absorb the volume change between liquid, water, and ice. The only reliable way to prevent a pipe from bursting when frozen is to prevent the pipe from freezing in the first place. Regardless of the plumbing material being used, plumbers should take every precaution to reduce the exposure of pipes to conditions that can cause freezing. FlowGuard Gold CPVC is the only residential plumbing system inherently immune to damage from chlorinated drinking water and other residential water disinfectants, and it has been proven reliable in American water systems for more than 65 years with more than 13 billion feet of pipe installed. So guys, remember, this video was sponsored by FlowGuard Gold. FlowGuard Gold installs faster than PEX. FlowGuard Gold is designed to withstand the chlorine and disinfectants put in the drinking water that have to be there so we have safe water. Some of the other products are not, but FlowGuard Gold CPVC is. And remember, no matter what water lines you're installing, protect them all. Insulate them, keep them from freezing, because that is truthfully the only way to not have freeze breaks. You know, one of my favorite things about installing FlowGuard Gold is the ease of use. The thing is, it makes it so fast and so easy to use, and the one-step solvent weld process also makes it go faster. Guys, these days, what we're really looking for is anything that can help save us labor in the field. Whether we're plumbers, whether we're plumbing company owners, whether we own big mechanical contracting companies where we're doing multi-million-dollar jobs, that's where I first found out about FlowGuard Gold, using it in certain situations there on job sites. It's a great product to use. We've done it for many, many years, and it does literally save us time and money, putting in the pipe, getting the job done, and using the right product. So do me a favor and let me know down in the comments below, where do you install FlowGuard Gold? And do you realize how much money it does really save you by time and materials, ease of installation, everything else? I'd love to hear your comments. Let me hear from you down below. Hey guys, y'all saw how easy it was to install this and to get the drop right where we want it. And guys, if you got some good value out of this, do me a favor, like this video, give me a comment down below and share it with somebody that you know that may not be using FlowGuard Gold. And if you like this video, I definitely think you're gonna like this next one.